Welcome to my bedroom. This is where most of our AromaTouch massages are done, right here. And in this video, I will be sharing with you how impactful this can be and some of my tips and tricks for using the dōTERRA AromaTouch massage to help with pain, inflammation, with sleep, stress, digestive issues, hormone issues, when you're just not feeling well, wanting to bond with children or your spouse. I will show you what I've learned over the past 12 years. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulsen. I am a health coach, the mother of 6 children, and an essential oil educator. And I'm obsessed with helping families learn how to use natural solutions to take care of their health using essential oils. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. We're trying to grow this channel. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. We have been using essential oils for over 12 years now. And we have only gone to the doctor once for sick care. And with 6 kids, that is a big deal. And so this is one of the tools that has been probably most effective as a mom in helping our families to stay healthy, and when we're not feeling well, something that I can proactively do that will support their body in doing what it knows how to do. So if you're new to essential oils, I have a beginner's crash course that I will link up that you can watch. But if you're familiar with oils, the AromaTouch massage consists of 8 different oils. I'm not going to go into all of those oils and what they do. I have videos for each one of those. And I'm also not going to show you exactly how to do the massage technique. I will link up below the different videos to train you how to do this. It's basically along the back, the neck, the ears a little bit, and your feet, and anyone can do it. I am not a professional massage therapist. I do not get paid to give massages, but this has just been a valuable tool within our home. The reason I wanted to do this video is because I want you to understand how simple it is and the many different reasons why you might use it. Things come up in your home or family, and you will have tools on hand to support yourself and your family. Now, I want to share with you some examples of the ways that we've used AromaTouch massage in our home. For things that come up, this will hopefully spark your interest in it, because you'll see these things probably coming up in your life as well. So number one thing I would say is for when you're feeling under the weather. So if you have someone in your home not feeling their best, maybe they have a fever, they're feeling nauseous, they have a headache, migraine, some kind of discomfort, this is a great time to pull out the oils and give them a massage. It's great for stress. So if you're feeling stressed because of school or work, one of my sons is a runner, and he would ask me before races the night before, will you give me a massage? So he'd just lay down right here and I would give him a massage, because he knew how it helped to calm the stress, helped him to sleep well, which is another reason that we use it. So if you're having challenges with sleep, if someone's in your home, challenge with sleep, or they're keeping you up, pull out the oils and give this massage. Also great for all types of pain. So arthritis, back pain, neck pain, foot pain, headaches. It is great for reducing inflammation in the body, helping the body to do what it knows how to do, creating that balance. So any type of pain will pull them out. Any kind of emotional distress or discomfort, whether that's low mood, it's that time of the month, there's things going on in relationships, school, at work. This is a great opportunity to help lift those emotions, to create balance there as well. It's also great for bonding. So from babies all the way up to adults, pulling out these oils and having that physical touch can create bonding and show love to these people who are important in your life. And I found, especially during those tween and teen years where they often won't want to hug you, I would have kids asking me for a massage and they were willing for me to give them a massage. So think of it in that way as well, as for that bonding moment. This is also great if you have any type of injury, maybe you've had a fall, auto accident, a sports athletic type injury. Also, what I love about this is that it's an opportunity to serve your family, to serve your friends. There have been times when I've had friends drive through and we'd have them come up in my bedroom and give them a massage. They're stressed out. Someone that's sick. I remember my son's fiance, before they got married, the night before they got married, there was just a lot going on. And so she came up and I gave her a massage. So there's many opportunities that we can use this also to serve. Now I want to give you 8 tips that I've learned to help this. I want to share with you some tips that I've learned over the years of doing this to help it be more effective or just faster so that you'll do it. The number one tip is that the oils work. So you don't have to be a professional. You don't have to do it exactly how it says in the manual or from the videos, or be afraid that you're going to do something wrong. You're not. So that's the number one tip. The oils do the work. That's why I use dōTERRA oils, because they are highly concentrated, so they're very potent. So you'll get that medicinal type quality of experience with the oils. The second one is to dilute, especially if it's the child or if they're old or they have sensitive skin. You can't go wrong with diluting, and that's with fractionated coconut oil, and that comes in the kit. I like to put on the squirt bottle, but I will just squirt some down their back before I start the massage and make sure it's there, so if they ever say, hey, that's a little bit hot or spicy, that you can use the fractionated coconut oil to calm that down. Another thing that I do that I found makes it faster is having a container that I put the oils in, and I just leave them in there so I can just pull it out when I need to do a massage. You might not have that convenience, but that's been really helpful for me. And then what I do is put on the sticker labels that you can get. They're like 50 cents through dōTERRA, and put the sticker labels on top so you know which oil it is. And then I take all the lids off before I start. And I know this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they will stay in order, but I take them off so I don't have to be taking them off, putting them back on, and it just goes smoother and faster for the person receiving the massage. The next tip is that you don't have to have a massage table. I remember when I got all excited about this massage technique and hearing the experiences that people were having with it, that I went out and bought a massage table, and we rarely use it because it's a hassle to set up. Unless you have a place where you're just gonna leave it up, I just get them on the side of my bed, or they'll lay down on the floor. And maybe it's not the best on my back, I don't know, but that has just been the most convenient for me, is for them to lay down on the bed. Another thing that I've done, because sometimes you're in a hurry and I don't want to not do it just because of time issues, or you're tired and you don't want to spend that much time doing this, is that I will do one of two things. So on the massage, usually you do 3 passes of each thing. So you might be massaging one side of the back, and you do it 3 times, and then you do the other side from the spine to your back, and you do that another 3 times. And then there's other things that they're kind of grouped in 3s. It's okay not to do 3. If you're in a hurry, you could do it once, you could do it twice. Another thing that I have done is that I will combine oils. So there are oils that are grouped together. So the tea tree and the On Guard are very similar in the fact that they help with, if you're not feeling well, it helps boost your immune system. And so I might combine those 2 and put the drops on of tea tree, the drops on of On Guard, and do that instead of doing them separately. The same with AromaTouch and Deep Blue, because those are also for pain and inflammation. And so I group those 2 together, and I might put the drops on, 3 or 4, 5 drops of each of those, and then do the massage on it. It just has saved me time when I have those time crunches. And then my last thing is that take them with you. There have been so many times when we've been traveling that I will need those oils, whether individually because of some discomfort that's come up, or there's someone that's down and out and they could really use this massage. And so you can put them in sample bottles, and you have it right here set to go. And if you don't use it for AromaTouch, you'll be using it for other things, digestive issues that come up, maybe a rash that comes up, somebody gets a bee sting, you never know. So having travel oils or a little kit on hand is really, really helpful. Before I give you my final protocols that have helped this to be really effective, I'm going to show some pictures of our family and some of the ways that it's helped each one of these individuals. So Caleb, like I said before races, he's 21 now, almost 22. He's a Division I runner, but all through high school, there were times when he would ask for a massage. We went to Cancun, and on the way home, I ended up eating something, we both ended up eating something that gave us salmonella poisoning. And I had never been so sick in my life. And this was something that my husband, Gray, not a professional massage therapist, but knew the technique enough, could just put the oils on, and that was great support and some relief there. Ellie, my daughter, super athlete. Like, she is a lifter of heavy weights. She's a volleyball player. She's just a great athlete, and often injuries come up, stress comes up, sickness, you name it with her. Like I mentioned before, Marley, my husband's wife now, the night before their wedding, it was a great opportunity to be able to serve her before she left our home, and would be meeting up the next day for them to get married. Now, Minna and Morgan are our youngest. They are 9 and 11 now, but I started using oils before they were born, and so they're kind of our oil babies in our experiment of all things oils for kids. And this was a great opportunity to serve them when they were fussy, when they had a hard time sleeping, maybe they had digestive issues. It was great bonding to be able to do just a gentle massage on their back and on their feet. Now I remember with Corum. So Corum is, I call him the middle child, but he's not really middle when they're 6, but he had a severe ear infection and it was just miserable, right? And this was an opportunity for me to serve him, to be able to give him this massage to help him to sleep better as he was going through some of the pain with that. So my husband lost his father to cancer, and those were some trying months. And I remember giving him a massage, going through that experience with him. And so it's great for emotional support, grieving, and just that connection as well. And then Jerem, he is our second oldest. And I remember one time him just being super sick with the flu. And this was a great opportunity for me to be an awesome mom and have something available to do for him that was proactive. So this is kind of my protocol when things come up, is I like to be able to get to the root cause of whatever the discomfort is. And so if I know what that is, you're just not getting enough sleep, you're stressed, then what are the tools that I have to help you to sleep better or to reduce your stress? And usually that might be an oil, it might be just some type of skill, relax, go take a bath, right? And then also, as you're getting to that root cause, what can help support getting rid of that? So if it's a nutritional deficiency, or maybe you've been exposed to toxins, how can I help with that? Also thinking about hydration, I'm always asking, like, have you drank enough water today? And what did you eat? What are you eating? And then smart supplementation. So if you're not getting what you need from food, making sure that you're getting the supplements that you need outside of what you're eating. And then also make sure, I like to treat both the root cause, but also what's the symptoms? Because if you're miserable, there's things that you can do to help with that pain, the inflammation, the discomfort, while you're doing other things that will help with the root cause. So maybe it's a lack of nutrients, and that's going to take a while for you to start feeling better, but there might be some things that help boost your energy. And then, as I'm going through this protocol, maybe it's with a family member, then I will pull out the AromaTouch massage. That's kind of my thing. If we can treat it with something like really fast, then we will do that. And if it calls for some more support, then I pull out the AromaTouch massage. If you have any questions about the AromaTouch massage, you can ask them below, and I would love to answer those. Also, I will link up the videos and resources for you to start learning how to use the AromaTouch massage technique. Also, where to get oils if you don't already have those oils. You might have some of these on hand, so I will list those out. And if you have those already, then you might just order the ones that you're missing. And then, maybe get a keychain, something for traveling, some sort of container. It can even just be a plastic glass container that you have at home already to have those available. But I will link everything up, and I would love for you to subscribe. And if you have any need for support, please reach out to me.